everyone, this is Rutrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I will be sharing some of looks which are inspired by Alia Bhatt's look. So I found like Alia Bhatt is quite a versatile actress, not only in her acting but also when it comes to fashion. So I found like she used to wear quite a cool stuffs when it comes to casual wear. So I mainly focused on that, which can be really easily created at the same time can be used for our daily lives as well. So I have picked up 4 looks which are truly inspired by Alia Bhatt. So let me clear you something, that these looks are not the exact things which she had created earlier, but these looks are inspired by her looks. So I have taken some inspiration of her looks and created these looks. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this. This is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you like to watch this kind of video more often, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely do more. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.